Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this a golden sparkly eye makeup look, which I use mainly drugstore products for because you don't need expensive makeup products to create a nice eye look. So this is the look we're going to create today, and the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids like always. I'm using the Nyx Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, which is my personal favorite, and this will just make sure that all the redness is gone and leave me with a nice clean canvas. Then I set it with a little bit of powder to make sure that it's locked in place, and then after this I'm going in with the Modern Dreamer palette from Nyx Cosmetics. Such a beautiful palette, and we're going to focus on the warmer tones today. So the first color I'm going in with is this one right here. It's kind of like a soft orangey shade, and I'm just going to start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. And you can just start with a little bit of eyeshadow. You can go in with more right away. I feel like these eyeshadows are really soft and easy to blend, so you can't really go wrong with them. So then I went in with the yellow color in combination with the orange. I just wanted to kind of give it a little bit more of a kind of like a golden undertone, if that makes sense. I really wanted it to be just perfect for the golden glitter that I wanted to use. So I just used that yellow over it to give it more of a different undertone. And then I went in with that same orangey color that I used at the beginning. And now I'm also going to blend this underneath the lower lash line. So since I use this color for the upper part of the eyelid as well, it's now really easy to kind of blend it into the outer V because I have already this color like in that area. So everything blends really nicely together. So I like to use this Sigma E50 brush. I use it in almost every video. I just really like it. And then I used again a combination of that orange and yellow color and used this to blend out the lower lash line even further. And then once I go more towards the outer part, I also blend it a bit towards the outer V to really make sure that the colors in my crease blend towards the colors underneath the lower lash line. So I just continue to blend until I'm happy with how everything is looking, and then we're going to focus on the rest. So I went in with the white color in this palette just to pop a little bit of that in the inner corner. This is optional. You can also go for like a shimmery color, but I am more of a favorite fan of a matte shade in the inner corner. Then I went in with this Glow Shot product from Nyx Cosmetics. It's basically like a shimmery liquid product. And I'm going to use this over the eyelid, and look how freaking gorgeous this is. I love shimmery like liquid products like this because it's easy to use and it will just give you an instant nice glam effect, and the shimmers are just so pretty. So I like to use it on the eyelid with the applicator and then use a different brush to kind of like smear it out, make sure that it blends into the other colors. And I just love it. I think it already looked quite good, but I wanted more. So I went in with this liquid glitter adhesive from Anastasia Belisle. And then I went in with these golden glitters, which I will make sure to put the name of the glitter in the description bar. And I'm going to apply this all over the eyelids. So the shimmery like product from Nyx Cosmetics that I used as a base is perfect because I feel like when you use glitter, it's nice to use like a glittery base underneath, so the glitters blend really nicely into the base underneath, if that makes sense. So if you would use like a matte shade and then use glitter on top of it, it's not going to look as good in comparison that if you would use like a shimmery glittery color underneath. So definitely take that as a tip because it will make a huge difference. So I'm just making sure to make it as glittery as possible. And then I went in with the lash curler because it's already almost finished actually. I felt like this was quite an easy look, but it does give a lot of effect, as you can see. I did also go in with a little bit of pencil in my waterline. I went in with this Wonder pencil from Nyx Cosmetics. It has more of like a shimmery side and a matte side, but I use the matte side. And it has a really nice warm undertone, but it is a nude pencil. So it will kind of brighten up the eyes, but still have that warm undertone, so it really matches with the other eyeshadows. So I use this in the waterline, and then after this, I'm going to focus on mascara. I think this one is from Loreal, if I'm not mistaken, or it's from Rimmel, actually. But I will make sure to link the name of the mascara in the description bar. I will go in with false lashes, so I wasn't too focused on making my upper lashes super long, but I do always want to make sure that I do have something. So I went in with the Nora lashes from Queen Tarzi. I think these are just freaking stunning, and they're just the right amount of glam for the eyes. So here you have the finished result. You can see how beautiful sparkly it is, perfect for this time of the year. I hope this eye look gave you some inspiration. Let me know if this is an eye look that you would try on your own eyes. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you try